Four more Royal Crown Derby soup bowls to show you in the Blue Aves design. 1954, I think the Royal Dalton. Sorry, the Royal. I think I'm going to start this again. Royal Crown Derby Blue Aves from 1954. Rimmed soup bowls, 8 1/8 inch diameter. There's the side elevation, as you can see, with the wide rims. So definitely intended for use as soup bowls. They're not large soup bowls. They are only 8 1/8 inch. So do be aware of that. And hopefully this gives you an indication of the scale when I'm handling this for you. Blue Aves design, well transfer printed across the whole surface area. Indent scallop rims with good gilt retention on all of these. We've got 4 of them. There is some, as you can see, not sure whether this is a universal feature of Blue Aves, but the transfer does look as if it's sort of blurred slightly, where it's been stretched almost down into the base of these soup bowls. Whether they're using a transfer print that was designed for a flat piece of flatware as opposed to a relatively deep soup bowl, I don't know. But do be aware, some of these, the transfer becomes a little unclear where it goes on the vertical surface as opposed to the horizontal or flat surface. That seems to be the situation with just about all of them. There's no one's particularly better than the other, so it's what leads me to believe it is a feature of the design rather than a technical flaw or fault in the actual transfer printing. I haven't shown you the China marks. Let me just show you that. Green, 1954, right for the age. XVII on that one. They're not particularly transferred well, and this is a blue one. XVII on that. And another green XVII, definitely on that one. XVII. So 1954, 1953 on all of those. So were probably sold as a single collection when they were purchased back that time. They're in very good condition. The glaze condition on the surface is really fine, so there's no problems with that. Got lots of Blue Aves currently on catalogue with some lovely big platters and some really unique period pieces of serveware, including some lidded tureens, which are no longer in production and offer extremely good value for collectors of Blue Aves. Thanks for watching.